Welcome back, everyone. I had a comment the other day on this location, one of them two areas, when I was using the box blade. Um, it said something like, which I'll just screenshot here, but it said something like, I, I don't count on me. I think I use a land plane for my half-mile driveway, which I get.
I guess it does have some
The
scarifers
box
out
blade
front.
has
For
a
some reason, I
purpose of its
didn't think it
own. I
did.
thought, I agree 100%. So why am I talking about it now? Well, I use my box blade to clean my trails, my tractor trails, ruts, and try to prevent further erosion. And I mean, you cannot use a land plane out here, okay? Unless the ground's tore up first. So let me show you. Actually graded it. Well, in the video it'd be this way, so the water will come off rather than follow the path down to the creek. So I graded it this way, so the water will run to the edge and then down, and hopefully into the holler it's over here on the left. But yeah, let me show you what I got going on here. Here, this was like embankment up and then over. So I kind of pulled dirt from over here, filled this in, which is still graded this way, but then I run over it back and forth with the tractor to pack it in, which is still on a road, but when you get big rocks like this, which let me move that out of the way now. Oh. But you don't want to pour too much here, otherwise it's just going to be a big washout. This will be part of the creek, stream, river, whatever you want to call it, creek, runoff, whatever. So I figured what I do is I just leave this high, like that, but gradually fill, because I mean it's always going to erode, but it's better than having something like this where you're in a big dip. It'd be better, you know what I mean? But anyway, I thought I'd touch on that, why I chose a box blade over a land plane, because the land plane was actually double. I think it was like $2,200. It had two different sections that it would level out. It had two different areas. I'll just throw up a picture right now of what I was looking at. But yeah, this is why I chose a box blade over a land plane. Because I mean, out here, unless it's really tore up, you're just not going to be able to cut it in a shorter amount of time. Because I mean, I spent like 20 minutes on this. Just wanted to hit on this one time, so I don't think I really hit it in the last clips. I bought a box blade because it was half the price, if I remember. It better suit me rather than the land plane. Each has its own purpose, but the box blade was a better purchase for myself and cousin, because we went in half, so I'm really $550 into it, which I mean, you can't beat that. Not only that, I mean, is the land plane really gonna get all these big rocks? I mean, or is it just gonna skip them? I've never used one, so I can't comment on it, but I just feel like it was better choice of equipment to use on this rather than the land plane. Not only the cost of it too. I just thought I'd want to hit on that real quick, because you never know. I mean, it's just opinion. I feel like it's better suited for what I would want to use it for, rather than, I mean, if you're doing driveways and land planes, that's probably the way to go, honestly. But if you're doing a freaking old road, well, this is actually the old road to the house. Old cabin that was down there that we just put gravel on over the years. Try to help it prevent erosion. We need some riprap on the edges, but you know, this is a poor farm. Anyway, thought I'd just touch on that real quick. I'll see y'all on the next one.